Lola, ganda-ganda ng bed mo. You have a very nice bed. Ha? Repainted natin yan eh. Oh, ganda ng good combination ng color, di ba? Oh, wag kang magkuba. Ayos, ayos. Miss Universe, oh, sit down. Sit down like a princess, ha? Oh, wag naka-hunchback na ganon. Wag kuba. Lola, ayos. Straight, straight ang upo. Sit down, straight. Yan, pang Miss Universe. O, kaway-kaway nga ng pang Miss Universe. Hi! Hello, Miss Universe. I love you too. What is your name? Oh, yes? Ano? What is your name? Huh? Ay! Ano which is better?